not expecting fruit. The opposite of that is people are living on
Selfish.
mere hopes, asha. You know the famous verse, Moghasha, Mogha Karmana, Mogha Jnana Vichetasa. Vain hopes, vain actions, vain desires, vainful life. All your life you're only living in hopes and desires and aspirations. Constantly, there are people who are constantly chasing the world. Chasing and chasing, acquiring and acquiring and acquiring, chasing. Not that you shouldn't acquire, but that motive shouldn't be there. You end up with it, never mind. There is a beautiful saying by Robert Browning. Robert Browning says, a beautiful quote, that low man seeks a little thing to do, sees it and does it. That low man seeks a little thing to do, sees it and does it. This high man, with a great thing to pursue, dies ere he knows it. This high man, with a great thing to pursue, dies ere he knows it. This low man goes on adding one to one, his hundreds soon hit. This high man, aiming at a million, misses a unit.
If he misses the unit, balance on zero.
Not life is gone. But he's aiming at a million. Robert Browning, chasing their desires, chasing their dreams, chasing their wants, aiming at a million. I want to become big, I want this, I want that. Not that you should, but then you miss the very core of life. You got it, you lost it. You committed a ghora karma. Because why you are committing a sin? Because you are approaching action with a full of motive, full of desires. By the time I'm 40, I must get this. By the time I'm 45, I must get that. By the time I'm 50, I must get settled that. I must do this, I must do that. Full of craving and wanting and desiring. And the bottom line, life is a mess. You missed the unit. But without any desire, motive, just go about doing what you are supposed to do in life. Just go about, you should know what you are supposed to do. That's why I already addressed. Don't act on your impulses. Do what your duties are. Just go about doing it. You have not committed a sin. If you are able to see picturize what he's saying, life is a grandeur, a beautiful message here. Fantastic message. Otherwise, every step you're messing up your life. Every step, every action you take, you're committing a sin.